On Sunday, April 13th, 2 Israeli missiles struck the al-Ahli Arab Baptist Hospital in Gaza City, severely damaging key medical facilities and the adjacent Anglican church compound, which includes a historic Baptist church. Medics on the ground reported that the emergency and reception departments were completely destroyed and other parts of the hospital compound suffered significant structural damage.
اللي حضنت كل الجرحى وحضنت كل المرضى وحضنت كل المصابين. الاستقبال الوحيد هذا اللي كان شغال يعني في غزة اللي يعني بيحتوي الجرحى والمصابين اللي بيتعاملوا معاهم هيو راح الاستقبال والمختبر.
No casualties were reported from the strike according to the Civil Emergency Service. Health officials said the hospital was evacuated in time after a phone call from someone claiming to be part of Israeli security warned of an imminent attack. One patient who was among those moved out described being terrified and said he had nowhere else to go. The hospital, a major institution run by the Anglican Church, has now been rendered non-operational, confirmed Gaza's health ministry. This adds to the growing crisis in the healthcare system as Gaza's Hamas-run government claims that 34 hospitals have been deliberately destroyed by Israel as part of a systematic plan to dismantle the remaining health infrastructure in the strip.
طيارات صار لهم تقريبا اسبوع واسبوع ونص هيك وهم بحوموا فوق المعمداني. ايش في المعمداني انا مش فاهم. مرضى، غرفة عناية، جرحى، لسه المصابين، فيش لا زي ما بقولوا مخربين ولا مقاومين ولا في نيلة. يجوا يطلعوا لنا اياهم، نزلوا مبنى الاسعاف يطلعوا اللي تحته زفيف.
Israel did not issue an official comment on the particular strike. However, it has previously stated that Hamas systematically exploits civilian infrastructure, including hospitals, as cover for its operations, a claim that Hamas has repeatedly denied. Israeli forces have carried out numerous raids on medical facilities throughout the conflict. The latest attack coincided with Palm Sunday, a significant Christian observance marking the beginning of Holy Week. Worshippers gathered at the Greek Orthodox St. Porphyrius Church in Gaza City for the service and offered prayers for the victims of the ongoing war. The timing of the strike cast a further shadow over the already strained religious community in the enclave.
العيد زي كل سنة ونحتفل الفرحة وسعادة. في هذا العيد طبعا بعد ناس وصفر ناس، بعد أخار وصفر أخار. الفرحة نصت علينا. كل سنة كنا الفرحة كنا متكاملة كل مرة. كل المسيحيين اجتمعوا في الاثنين سعدوا ونحتفل. بس بسبب الأوضاع الراهنة والحرب والتهجير في بعض أقاربنا وأحبائنا وأصدقائنا هاجروا.
Palm Sunday commemorates Jesus' entry into Jerusalem, a moment of joy that precedes his crucifixion and is followed by Good Friday and Easter Sunday, the holiest day on the Christian calendar. Amid devastation and death, Gaza's dwindling Christian population marked the day with solemnity and grief.
احنا اليوم نحتفل بأحد الشعانين، أحد دخول المسيح للكنيسة. طبعا احنا في غزة في فلسطين في أجواء حرب. المفروض إن كل المسيحيين العالم تحتفل بدخول المسيح للكنيسة. احنا بنحتفل في الاحتلال الإسرائيلي بإخلاء كنيسة المعمداني، المستشفى المعمداني اللي تم قصفها امبارح. طبعا ربنا سترنا ورجعنا من الخطة اللي احنا فيها.
Meanwhile, as the humanitarian situation worsens, Hamas leaders were in Cairo on the same day, engaging in another round of ceasefire negotiations with Israeli counterparts. The talks, mediated by Egypt, Qatar and the United States, aim to break the deadlock that has stalled previous truce efforts. The conflict was triggered by Hamas's October 7, 2023 attack on southern Israel, which killed 1,200 people and saw 251 hostages taken, according to Israeli data. Since then, Israel's relentless military offensive has claimed over 50,000 Palestinian lives, according to local health authorities. Much of Gaza lies in ruins, with millions displaced, a crumbling medical system, and critical infrastructure repeatedly targeted. The strike on the al-Ahli hospital underscores the humanitarian cost of the ongoing war and raises urgent questions about the protection of medical facilities and religious institutions in conflict zones. With Farhan Khan, Bureau Report, India Today Global.